Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up Spicetify only ways. Open a terminal and confirm node. JS and Git are installed, then install Spicetify CLI globally. Create a backup of your current Spotify settings to avoid data loss. Configure the config. Ini file with your Spotify user and preferred theme paths. Apply a test tweak, restart Spotify, and verify your changes worked before customizing further. Start by installing Spicetify CLI using npm and confirm the install with Spicetify version. Next, open config. Ini and set paths for Spotify, extensions, and themes using exact folder locations. Create a backup so you can restore defaults if needed. Test a simple patch and apply it to see immediate results. Keep the terminal open and follow prompts to resolve permission. Pick a theme and unzip it into the themes folder specified in config. Ini, then add its name under the current theme field. Place any extensions into the extensions folder and list them in the extensions field to enable them. Run Spicetify apply to compile and push changes to Spotify, then restart the app. If something looks off, restore your backup and try a different theme or tweak the config entries.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.